guys, I thought I'd do a quick room tour as my room's not very big. So as you come through the door, this is what you see. This is my rack with bags and coats slash my shoe holder. So my coats and stuff are on this side, and obviously my jackets are on this side, and my bags are in the middle. And then obviously underneath I have all my shoes. Then as you come over here, I have my Elvis Presley cardboard cutout that I got for my birthday. Then behind that I have my Suicide Squad nightgown and my nightgown and jacket, my little pony jacket behind that. And then underneath that I have my laundry basket. Next to that I have a bag behind and my stool to get to my bird. Then next to this I have my chest of drawers that have decided to break on me, but hopefully my fiance can fix it. So in this little cubby I have my perfumes and my deodorants and obviously lady things. So there's all my deodorants and perfumes. And then these are for to put on my wall, but I need to do all that. And then next to that I have my sewing box, my picture, my deodorant, some Beckonaise for my nose. This is got my adapters for my phone. And here I have my scissors and a screwdriver and a razor. And then behind I have my candles, excuse my bird, my picture that I'm going to be putting up on my wall, so I'm going to move that out of the way. And then, this room's a mess, I'll put that in there actually. And then this is my pill box. I've got pills obviously for my medication, and I've got my headphones. Next to that I have, oh no, there's my razor, my hair food for my hair, and my hairspray for my hair and some hair gel. And then in here I have all my shampoos, conditioners and body washes and my aloe vera. And then next to that I have this holder with my bags on it. I don't know how long they're going to stay there for, but hopefully they will stay there. And then next to that I have my chair from my desk. So this is my desk, it's a bit messy. At the bottom I have my laptop. That bin has got my duvets in it, my paper for my printer, my camera box for my Smart Frog camera, Harley's medication, cat treats, printer, my laptop, my mouse for my laptop, my chocolate buttons that I need to clean, my 2 keys for holiday, my hair grips, my pens, my witch for my face match. So I got my flowers, which I got from Home Bargains. There's one on that side and one on that side. I got some some of my favourite teddies. So I got Marie, Evie, for my Elsa doll, and Lady from Lady and the Tramp. And then at the bottom here I have the rest of my teddies, because I got so many teddies, it's just crazy. So all this is my teddies. So I got Marie, I've got unicorns, I have Rainbow Dash old version, I've got more teddies down here. But yeah, here's my DVD rack. I'm not going to go through it, but so at the bottom are DVDs, and then from there are my games. So there is like PS3 games, PS4, Nintendo Switch and Nintendo games, and Xbox One games. And then next to that is my TV. Hello, I have obviously my TV, which I got from Tesco like ages ago. I have my Unikitty and my Switch on the other side, and my iPod. I've got my switcher for my to like change all the like PS4s and stuff without having to unplug anything. And then here is my unit, which is my favourite part of the room. So in this little bin I have a spiral holding an Xbox One controller with some DVDs behind it, a candle, bird food, and my fiance's spray. Excuse my bird. In this little bin I have some nail varnish remover, some creams, tattoo cream, face wash, and my little charger for my camera. In this little section I have my PS4, my Xbox One controller, which is my all-time favourite controller. I mean, look how beautiful that is. I had this made from the Xbox Lab website, which I got for my birthday. And on the bottom here I've got this bin which is full of crap. Next to that I have that little bin full of like stuff and a hammer, because I had to sort my chest of drawers out. And then in these bins I have Elvis DVDs, and then on these two I have Elvis DVDs and other DVDs, and then there I have my PS3. I've got nowhere to put it at the moment, so it's just there. And then next to that I have my makeup drawer with all my makeup on. I have my Alexa stop. I have this, which is a handy little device where you just plug it in and just plug all your devices in using USB-C, and it's just really handy. Like I said, I got my makeup, and then in these drawers I've got like this drawer here, I've got some more medication, Salem's bowls. At the bottom I've got my hair straighteners, my hairbrush, and my blow dryer. And then at the bottom of that I've got like a load of other crap which I don't really need to go into. Next to that I have my gorgeous Xbox One, which I love so much. And then next to that I have another one of these hooks. I have one for my bags, and next to that I have my necklaces, which I love. And then underneath I have my drinks that my fiance got for me, and a box for my cat. And at the top I have all my Harley Quinns and my pop vinyls and my Marie ornament that I got for my birthday. And then we're back to my door. So that was the end of my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry it was very quick, but my room is not very big. It's very, very small and compact. So I do apologise, but it's still a work in progress, my room. So I still want to go through all my stuff, get rid of a few things. Obviously, hopefully I can fix my chest of drawers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, bye!